What's up you guys, Jason Wardrop here, and in today's video I wanted to break down the real estate marketing sales funnel for 2020 and moving forward here. Okay, there's a lot of cool updated techniques and tips that if you are in the real estate space, if you're a real estate agent or you have a marketing agency, you work with real estate professionals, these are key things that you need to be implementing into your business. So I'm going to show you guys the blueprint to scaling your business in this video. So let's just dive into things. Here is the blueprint, and then I'm going to show you guys an actual live example of how this all works together. Okay, so starting here on the left-hand side, you start out with the Facebook or Instagram ad, right? Because that's how you're going to go through and get exposure. The great thing about Facebook and Instagram is we can target people specifically in our community. And then from there, once you pique someone's interest, they're going to click on that ad and they're going to go to a landing page or a lead form. So basically they're the same type of thing. A lead form is just a product by Facebook. Landing page is an external site, but the whole purpose of both of them is to capture the visitor's contact information. So we want to get their name, their phone number, and their email address initially so that we can have our follow-up take place. Okay, so now you can see we're just moving slightly over to the right. So we have the Facebook ad, they click on it, they opt in a landing page or lead form, and then they come here to the follow-up. As soon as we have their contact information, we can drip them into an email campaign, a text message campaign, and then I'll even show you really quick here in just a second how we can get them into a Facebook Messenger bot follow-up campaign as well. And then in addition to all of this, we can get them on a phone call, and that is the number one most powerful thing, right? So we've got 4 ways to go through and follow up. And then the whole purpose of the follow-up is, one, to increase the number of sales conversations you're having with the leads that you generate from the landing page. And then also it's kind of a two-part. One, boost the number of sales conversations that you're having. And then 2, to be able to book more appointments from the leads that you're generating so you can ultimately close more deals. So with that said, guys, let's jump out of here. I want to show you guys this all live in action. So here is an example of a Facebook ad, an Instagram ad. Guys, it's the same thing because Facebook owns Instagram. So if you're going to go through and run an ad on Facebook, it's just a simple check to have it show on Instagram as well. Okay, it's not like some crazy thing that you got to go do something separate for Instagram. It's the same exact thing. So we've got our ad right here, and somebody's scrolling through their news feed that's in your community, whether they're on their phone or their laptop. They see your ad and they're like, oh man, this listing looks cool. Or even if you don't have a listing, it's the same concept, but I just want to kind of give you an overall structure of what this sales funnel looks like, right? So they come over here, they check it out, and they're like, oh man, I'm interested in this. I'm going to click on this link. So they click on this, and remember, we talked about that first step, Facebook or Instagram ad. The second step was a landing page or a lead form. Okay, now this example is a landing page, and if you look at this, this differs from your website because it is very basic and simple. There's nothing else on this page that's going to distract the person visiting the site from clicking away or opting out, like going to go follow you on Facebook or different platforms or finding other homes in the area. It's either they want to get this list or they don't. Okay, and so we're able to boost our conversion rates and generate 10 to 25 times more leads by sending someone to our landing page as opposed to our website. So then what happens is the lead comes in, they type in their name, their phone number, their email address. Let's put in some info right here. And then once they hit submit, what happens is they become a lead in your CRM. And the cool thing is we actually have a platform where you get a mobile app and you get those instant lead notifications and two-way texting, which I'll tell you a little bit more about that here in a little bit. But what happens once we get their contact information, going back to that one example, we can have an automated email sent out, an automated text message sent out. We get an instant lead notification on the mobile app on our phone, so we can call that person right away, because MIT and Harvard studies show if you contact a lead within the first 5 minutes, you're able to see a dramatically increased qualification rate of the lead and quality of the lead. Okay, so now this is where it gets really cool, guys. So if they come over here and they're like, oh, I want to find more homes, they click on this, and this takes them into Facebook Messenger, where we have a Facebook Messenger bot automatically following up with this lead as well. So it says, hey Jason, I see you're looking for homes in the blank area. So that's where we're gonna fill in whatever area. And so if it's the Phoenix area, Dallas area, whatever it is, they said, that's great. Is there a certain number of bedrooms you're looking for? So I might say, let's say I'm going for a big house. I'm 5 to 6 bedrooms right here. Okay, perfect. Are you a first-time home buyer? Most likely if you're getting a big house like that, you're not going to be a first-time home buyer. And it says, great, how soon are you looking to move? I'm looking to move as soon as possible. So you can see this whole follow-up is taking place on autopilot without you even needing to be there. So if in the future, obviously not right now because everyone's at home right now, but if in the future you're out and about at appointments, showings, open houses, your kid's soccer game, you can just come back here at the end of the day and see how each one of your leads responded. Okay, now this is super powerful, right? Well, then in addition to this, we now have another layer where we can actually automatically book appointments with our leads through our Facebook page. Okay, and the cool thing about this is it syncs with Google Calendar. It's going to send you automated appointment notifications. So anytime someone gets a new appointment, it's going to send you a notification. And when someone books an appointment with you before the appointment, so let's say it's on a Monday and they schedule for Friday, right? Well, the system will automatically send a text message as well as a follow-up Facebook message to remind that person that they had an appointment booked. That's pretty cool, right? Because I mean, I don't know about you, but if you guys have ever taken phone calls for sales or anything like that, the most annoying thing is when you have an appointment booked with somebody and they don't show up, right? Because it just wastes your time, and sometimes they don't show up just because they completely forgot. So you want to have those automated appointment reminders. So over here, let me just show you guys really quick. What we can do is we can see this book now button right here. Let's just test the button where you can come in here and set your availability, what times of day that you're available, what time of the week that you're available. So let's say you're only working Monday through Wednesday in the afternoons. You can have those times available. Then somebody will be able to come in, click on this, and be able to schedule an appointment with you. And the even cooler thing about all this is we can actually take this automated appointment scheduling and insert it into your email and text marketing follow-up, and even in the Facebook Messenger bot follow-up. So when you're dripping on all of these leads with emails, automated text message, automated Facebook message, it's sending them to actually automatically book an appointment with you, which once again, like I said, you'll not only get the lead notification, you'll get a notification every time a new appointment is booked, and this syncs with your Google Calendar, so it's not going to be double booking anything in your calendar. Okay, so anyway guys, I hope you see how powerful this is to go through and not only generate leads, but create tons more sales conversations and tons more appointments on your calendar so you can close more deals in your real estate business. Now, we are running a 30-day real estate leads challenge where we're gonna help you generate 15 leads in the next 30 days. So there's gonna be a link right below this video. We will help you implement everything right here, A to Z. Okay, and get this to be an automated system, automated machine for your business, so you can have this client generation system working for you day in and day out. Even if you're out and about at showings or whatever's happening, you don't have to do the cold prospecting methods. Okay, so anyway, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of some of these cool new tips and tricks and how you're gonna go through and implement them into your real estate business. So anyway guys, thanks so much for watching, and with that said, I will see you in the next video.